All right, some stocks I'll be watching on Friday. Now, I didn't give a ton of effort into this list tonight because you got the employment numbers in the morning, so the whole market might gap up or down. Um, and for that reason, when that happens, when you get a big market gap, and I don't know if we're going to, but if we do, when that happens, you can waste hours the night before finding a bunch of charts and they all just become irrelevant on a big market gap. Then you've got to change your strategy for the open, and the daily charts don't mean as much. So having said all that, here are some that still have my interest. U.S. Steel, the letter X, little breakout today, but gave some of it back in the afternoon. Nice volume. So I'm just going to watch this one. I literally thinking long or short, okay? If it gets some traction, I like it long because it's got a high short interest. But, if it fails to get traction, this could be like a little mini failed breakout, again, depending on the market. So U.S. Steel, kind of interesting. MNGA, well, I don't even know if this one should be on the list, but it gapped up today, closed red, but it's had a lot of interest lately. So that's a kind of a cheapie that is going to be on a chart, but it certainly won't have all my attention at the open or anything. Mankind, MNKD, is a little more interesting. You can see what it did before the FDA decision. Really ugly, and then gapped up, but after the gap up, didn't break its early high on Wednesday, didn't break its early high on Thursday, but it is kind of finding support. So this one is on bounce watch, which just means I'd like it to break its early high after trading for a little bit on Friday. So that one, there's 100 million shares on Wednesday. Wow. So this one certainly has plenty of interest and deserves to be watched. All right. A few short ideas on watch. AMCX. I hate to short anything that has to do with The Walking Dead, but I might not short it. Anyway, you kind of broke a little trend line there, but then put in a topping tail. So this one is up, 4 or 5 days in a row. In some market weakness, this one could start to roll over. Like I said, it's kind of hitting a trend line there, but at the same time, who wants to short The Walking Dead? I absolutely love that show. Let's see here. Urban Outfitters, URBN. I have this on short watch just because of the 200-day. You can see it got up to the 200-day here. You had a lower high here, and it just today it looks like took out this high from late February, but kind of struggled and really has kind of a doji candle there. So because it hit the 200-day with market weakness, I may try to find an intraday short setup in Urban. And FAST, very nice short in that one today. If you saw the video from what we did today in it, if not, it's on our YouTube channel. Very nice short. But now you're left with a topping tail. I don't hold overnight, so I'm out. But you can kind of see when this gets up over $51, sell off again, and that's what we did again today. So this one likes to sell off from here again with some market weakness. This is a good one to look for a potential short. And for you complete casino gamblers, I just found this KIOR. I don't know the story, but I thought I saw something about financing or avoiding bankruptcy with some kind of financing or loan, or I'm not sure what it was. I don't even know what KIOR does, but massive volume here. And for the 3 days after that volume has not broken its early high. And so this one could give a nice percentage gain. You can just kind of see a trend line there. Kind of an interesting afternoon spike today. So if we break above this trend line, this one could give a nice percentage gain. I don't ever, or almost ever, I haven't in years actually, I don't think I've traded anything under a buck. But for you complete gamblers, that one is kind of interesting to me, only with the proper intraday setup. ROX, don't know anything about this one either, but nice volume on Wednesday and an inside day on Thursday. That one's on long watch too. There's not much in the way of a breakout here too. So that's kind of a lower priced, interesting one. And ISR, this one's ahead of itself now, but we've had, I think, 2 days in a row with nice trades, nice long trades in ISR. Feels a little tired now, but keep this one on the chart going forward for the next couple weeks because this one's been a pretty good trader. And that's what I'm starting with. We'll add gappers in the morning as well. See if we can find something else to trade. aside from this list. And again, not married to this list because of the employment numbers. I may make 6 or 7 trades tomorrow, and all of them may be from stocks that aren't even on this list. So keep that in mind. All right. Have a good night. We'll talk to you later.